Are you ready to discover the surprising world of protein-rich vegetables? From lentils to broccoli, these nutritional powerhouses offer a wealth of essential nutrients and can complement or even replace animal-based protein sources in your diet. Lentils, edamame, chickpeas, and split peas are the all-stars, boasting over 4 grams of protein per cup, cooked. These versatile options can fit perfectly into soups, stews, salads, and more. Broccoli, spinach, Brussels sprouts, and artichokes offer a surprising amount of protein, making them valuable contributors to a balanced diet. These vegetables are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, providing a range of health benefits. Incorporating protein-rich vegetables into your diet isn't just about adding variety to your plate. It's about increased satiety, muscle building, enhanced bone health, a powerhouse of essential elements, and embracing plant-based protein. From vibrant salads to nutritious stir-fries, there are endless ways to incorporate protein-rich vegetables into your meals. Try out delicious recipes like grilled vegetable skewers and quinoa salad with roasted vegetables to power up your plate. Embrace the power of protein-rich vegetables and unlock a multitude of benefits. These nutritional powerhouses offer a delicious and versatile way to boost your protein intake. Visit www.dailynecessities.in for more details.